How to add RAM to a standard HP laptop. Firstly, you need small Phillips screwdrivers. I've got a little set like this that you can buy really cheap. I think they cost about 5 to 10 rand in South Africa. Basically, you've got to turn your laptop over. See, I've got a nice little cover to protect the back side of the laptop, top side of the laptop. You see on the back of the laptop is a little cover. Just take the Phillips screwdriver and remove the little cover. Now, this is quite an old laptop, so it's got DDR2 RAM. We're adding 2 gigabytes of RAM to this little guy. You see there's 2 little clips there. All you got to do is push that in there and just push the RAM down, and you'll see the 2 little clips clip in. Very easy. Take the little cover, put the little cover back, and oh, by the way, if you want to take the RAM out, all you got to do is push it this way and push the clip back again, and it will just flip up and the RAM will come out very easily. Stick your little cover back on. Just tighten the screw up, and Bob's your uncle. The RAM is in. If you start it up, it will show the RAM. Always remember that 32-bit operating systems don't read more than 4 gigabytes of RAM, so there's no point in adding much more. But if you have a 64-bit system, you can add as much RAM as you want most of the time. This being an older laptop, it wouldn't handle that in any event. You must check if your laptop or product can handle, or what kind of RAM total it can handle, because they are limited in some cases.